Greetings! In today's episode, we will discuss lucid dreaming and techniques you can use to do so. Have you ever had a lucid dream? Well, strap on your seatbelt and get ready for the ride. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating and powerful phenomenon that allows dreamers to consciously enter and control their dreams. In essence, a lucid dream is a dream in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming and is able to manipulate the dream world as a result. In this article, we will explore the concept of lucid dreaming, its potential benefits, and techniques for achieving lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming occurs when the brain becomes aware that it is dreaming and is able to control the dream world as a result. This can allow for incredible experiences such as flying, visiting far-off lands, or interacting with dream characters in a completely different way than the dreamer may experience in their waking life. Lucid dreaming has been a topic of interest to scientists and researchers for decades because it presents a unique opportunity to study the nature of consciousness, perception, and the mind-body connection. One potential benefit of lucid dreaming is that it allows individuals to face fears or negative emotions in a safe and controlled environment. For example, a person who is afraid of spiders could use their lucid dream environment to confront and overcome their fear of spiders. Additionally, some individuals report that lucid dreaming can lead to more restful and restorative sleep, as the dreamer is able to exert control over their dream world, leading to feelings of empowerment and mastery. To achieve a lucid dream, there are several techniques that individuals can use. One of the most popular is known as reality testing, which involves asking yourself during waking hours, "Am I dreaming?" and looking for clues in the environment that may indicate that you are dreaming. For example, in a dream, text may appear blurry or change when you look away and then look back. By regularly practicing reality testing, dreamers may become more aware of their dream state and become more likely to achieve lucid dreams. Another technique for achieving lucid dreams is known as the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, mild technique. This technique involves creating a mental association between a certain image, like a light switch, and the idea of becoming aware that you are dreaming. Before going to sleep, repeat the phrase, "I will realize that I am dreaming," to yourself while visualizing the image. This technique may help remind dreamers when they are in their dream state that they are dreaming and can exert control over their environment. Finally, the wake back to bed, WBTB technique, involves waking up after a period of sleep, staying awake for a short period of time, and then returning to sleep while keeping the intention of having a lucid dream in mind. This technique works by allowing the dreamer to fall back asleep while remaining conscious and focused on the intention of lucid dreaming. While lucid dreaming can be an incredible and empowering experience, it is important to remember that sleep is still a vital process for overall health and well-being. It is important to give yourself adequate time to rest and recover through the night. Additionally, mastering the art of lucid dreaming may take time and patience, so don't be discouraged if you don't achieve a lucid dream right away. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a unique and fascinating phenomenon that can provide numerous benefits, from overcoming fears to improving sleep quality. By practicing reality testing, mild and WBTB techniques, and remaining committed to the process over time, dreamers may be able to achieve the incredible experience of a lucid dream. Have you ever had a lucid dream? Comment below and let us know your experience. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment for next person. Until next time, my friends. And as always, we wish you peace, love, and prosperity.